Hey everybody, this is Jake with Forestry Suppliers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the tape on your Spencer Loggers tape. All you're going to need to do this is a small flathead screwdriver, a replacement tape, and your Spencer Loggers tape. The first thing you're going to do is take your screwdriver and loosen the post screws on the outside of the tape. And you don't need to completely remove the screws, all you need to do is loosen them. And so once you get your screws loosened, all you're going to want to do is release pressure off the hub by turning it leftwards. And so once you've got your tension released off the hub, all you have to do is remove the tape. Now, once your tape has been completely taken out, there's a small screw on the inside here that you'll use the same screwdriver just to loosen up. Again, do not completely remove it, just loosen the screw. And then you're just gonna slide your tape out. Like so. And then, we're not going to do it with this one, but what you would do is take your replacement tape and stick it back in and slide it back over that screw. You kind of got to play with it, but then you just slide it into the notch, take your screwdriver again, tighten up that screw. So once you've got that screw tightened, what you're going to do is twist your hub to get tension back on the tape. Then you're just going to let it rewind. You kind of got to play with the tension, get it just right. Just keep twisting the hub. You don't want to get any slack in your tape. So now once your tape has been wound back up, what you want to do is make sure you hold the hub so you don't lose the tension. And you're just going to tighten your post screws back. And so now when all your post screws are tightened, what you want to do is pull some of your tape out just to check your tension and then adjust as needed. And to adjust it again, all you have to do is loosen the post screws and twist the hub. And that is how you replace Spencer Loggers tape. And one thing to note as well is when you go to unwrap the replacement tape, just make sure you're careful because it is tightly wound and it can kind of go everywhere on you if you're not careful opening it up. But once again, that's how you replace the Spencer Loggers tape. And if you have any further questions, just feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email and we'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.